Hello, welcome back to Chegg India. Are you struggling to create the perfect resume for college placements that catches the recruiter's eye? Confused about what employers really look for in a job application? Wondering how to turn a simple resume into a powerful ticket for your dream job? Well, guess what? Today we've got something incredibly exciting lined up for all you hustlers. We're talking about 5 amazing tools that will turn your resume into a star. But first, let's drop some knowledge bombs to keep you all ahead of the competition. If you are pursuing a bachelor's, do these few things to your resume first before anything else. Stay on top of the latest trends and tech in your field. Flaunt your software skills. Mention your real-world problem-solving superhero moments. Dive into internships that help you gain practical experience. Craft a LinkedIn profile that screams professionalism. Showcase your passion through projects. If you are pursuing a master's, here's what you can do to your resume to make sure it doesn't get lost in the stack. Master a niche aligned with your career goals. Prove that your specialization adds serious value. Highlight international experiences. Let your resume and online presence show your uniqueness. Now that you know what can set you apart from the rest, let's quickly go over 5 resume building tools. First up on the list is Visual CV. It is pretty much the Picasso of resume builders. When it comes to crafting compelling content and impactful pointers in your CV, Visual CV stands out. Its intuitive interface allows you to seamlessly articulate your achievements and skills. Visual CV offers a diverse selection that goes beyond mere aesthetics. The platform provides templates crafted to industry standards. Companies that employ digital resume evaluation methods will appreciate the clarity and professionalism provided by Visual CV. Next on our list is CV Simply. It is your go-to platform for creating polished resumes and compelling portfolios. CV Simply can help you distill your professional journey into impactful content. You can use it to highlight your achievements and craft compelling narratives that catch the attention of potential employers. CV Simply offers a diverse range of templates to suit various industries and roles like modern, cascade template, and ATS friendly. CV Simply's clean and organized formats work exceptionally well. These formats facilitate easy readability and seamless parsing by applicant tracking system, ATS. Now let's talk about Canva, the ultimate hub for creative minds. Canva has a free visual resume builder and portfolio builder that truly stand out. Canva boasts an extensive collection of templates and is actually the best for portfolios. If you're in a field like design, fashion, film, interiors, and so on, this is going to be your favorite platform. If design isn't your forte, Visme is here to save the day. It has an intuitive visual CV builder that is perfect for you if you're not a design guru. It provides features that guide you through the process of presenting your skills and experiences effectively. Navigating the vast template options in Visme can be a breeze, especially when you have a clear understanding of the industry or job role you're targeting. You can just search the industry and role, and you can find the perfect template for yourself. If the company you're applying to uses automated systems, the format you find in Visme for your role can enhance your chances of passing through these digital assessments seamlessly. Lastly, but not the least, we have Kick Resume. Kick Resume excels in catering to the needs of business and marketing professionals. It is a quick and hassle-free resume builder to craft your resume. It has pre-built sections and offers easy customization, perfect for business and marketing professionals such as MBA students. They ensure your qualifications are presented in a way that capture the attention of automated resume screening systems. So there you have it. 5 fantastic tools to supercharge your resume building game for placements. But remember, it's not just about the tools, it's about you, your skills, and your unique story. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below if you have any resume tips that you swear by. Thanks for tuning in. We'll catch you in the next video. And as always, stay curious.